Me and my brothers are food lovers. Mahilig kami mag-food trip like all Filipinos. So, every time naghahanap kami ng food trip, we always go to Mongolian. We always eat there, why not franchise it? So, to share na rin our food trip experience with other people. Mongolian, we cater to freshly cooked meals, very healthy, all fresh. We order our stocks every day. We order our vegetables, our meat every day. Every time you order, you get your meals fresh and hot. So it's ready for your tasting palates. Our target market are the people who love to eat, who have the budget to eat, and who love tasting great food. Sa likod ko, ito yung buffet table namin. Here we have the freshest ingredients, freshest meat that is delivered every day. So as you can see, we have our sauces, our signature sauces na sobrang sarap. And we have Szechuan, we have teriyaki, and we have our special Mongolian sauce. Here, you get a bowl, put the freshest vegetables over, and then put your meat and then your signature sauce. You can have your own. We have our capable staff here that is trained to give you the sauce that you like, to your preference. So pagkatapos gawin yung bowl nyo, dito naman dadalhin sa likod para lulutuin. Para pagkalabas, mainit at bagong luto. Kasi dito sa Mongolian Quick Stop, ang motto namin ay parating bagong luto at fresh. Ang maganda kasi kapag hands-on ka, masikaso mo yung mga customers mo, masigurado mo na fresh yung vegetables mo, yung meat, at lahat smooth flowing.
Namit ko po ang unang may-ari nito nung una po akong mag-bless ng first Mongolian Quick Stop sa G4. Ako po ang pumili ng date, December 8, 2010. Sapagkat sabi ko, maganda yung December 8, Immaculate Conception. Ibig sabihin, mamumunga, yayabong, manganganak ang Mongolian Quick Stop. Hindi ko rin po alam na yung pala ay birthday ng panganay na anak ni na Kuya Alan at Ate Sara, si Adrian. Kaya sa loob po ng isang taon, nanganak po ito. Last year po kami sa G4, ngayon po tayo nasa Robinson at binasbasan po natin ang Mongolian Quick Stop.
Food is great. Panalo. Ang ganda. Masarap.
Fresh yung vegetables, tapos marami ka pang mapipili na ano dito, na mga choices na vegetables. Tapos ikaw ang naglalagay mismo.
Since 2007 pa sa Robinson's Galleria. Masarap pati yung sauce niya, and then yung halo ng beef, ng squid, lahat ng seafood, and also the vegetables. Masarap eh, tsaka favorite ko talaga siya before pa.
First of all, Mongolian Quick Stop is healthy, it's fast, and it's really affordable. So please do come try it.
We'd like to invite the viewers to try Mongolian Quick Stop, located at 3rd floor, Robinson's Place, Ermita. Our store hours are from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We're open every Mondays to Sundays. So we're here ready to serve you.
Mongolian Quick Stop, everything fresh every day.
Hindi mo na ba maisuot ang iyong mga sexing damit o di kaya ay nababother ka sa maliliit na butlig sa iyong mukha at leeg? Worry no more dahil nandito na ang pinakamadaling paraan on how we can remove all the insecurities due to that warts.
Ang wart ay common sa mga Pilipino at makikita mo in all ages and all either sa lalaki o sa babae. Wala itong pinipiling kasarian. Warts can go away even without treatment. Topical medications can also be used. The most common procedure is the electrocautery, which is found to be 82% effective in removing wart. So ang proseso nito ay usually around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Inihahanda mo na ang pasyente, nililinis ang mga areas na may infection at pagkatapos ay nilalagyan ng pampamanhid. Then, ginagamitan ng electrocautery machine upang masunog ang wart. Ang machine ay mayroong needle na mainit ang dulo at ito ang ginagawang pansunog ng wart. Nagkakaroon ng scab o langib sa area na ginamot at ito ay kusa na lamang mahuhulog. So, healing is usually around 1 to 3 weeks. Kahit sino ay maaaring magpa-wart removal, but of course, may mga precautions like those who have pacemakers sa heart or those who are undergoing treatment sa heart or may mga conditions like epilepsy or something na kailangan muna na maayos ang kanilang medical na problema bago mag-undergo ng any procedure.
Sinasabing 7 to 10% of the population ay may ganitong klase ng problema sa balat. Pero wag nang mag-alala dahil nariyan na ang Wartless by Dr. May Santos na siguradong makakatulong sa inyong warts.
The best way to remove wart is to prevent its cause, which is the human papilloma virus. When you are exposed to the disease, you may or you may not get the infection depending on the susceptibility of your skin to the infection. So the best way is to boost your immune system by having a proper nutrition and change of lifestyle. There's exercise, and you need to avoid stress, proper nutrition, and of course, intake of dietary supplements.
Because of the latest technology that we have, napakadali na ngang maalis ang mga warts na ito. Say goodbye to your warts and say hello to your glowing skin.
Inanyayaan ko lahat na maging aware dito sa wart infection. And for more information, you can go to my site, Wartless on Facebook.
Effective talaga. Kita mo naman. Mura lang. 250. Napaka-affordable.
I use KB as an antioxidant. It helps me a lot, especially in my line of work.
I use KB because it helps me become stress-free. I love KB. KB. White that works.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Molecules, I see me.
Intellectual, individualistic, independent, informed. Krizia Smart and Dressy Casuals for confident women. Available at SM department stores nationwide.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido ng mga lalaki. Available in Mercury Drug and all leading drugstores nationwide.